It's getting cold, so I switched out my AC for the Holmes dual fan. I'm really not sure how to work this. I think I'm doing it right. I put it on 60 degrees. You know, you could change the mode here. 65, 70, 75, 80. You could have it on low, or you could have it on high. Then down here you put intake, exhaust, I put one on intake and then one on exhaust, I think. I don't really know. I looked it up, but I swear the instructions didn't say anything. Oh, that feels strong right there, but they're both on intake, so I don't know. Does someone have this fan help me out?